A tax return is the document you file with the government to report your income and calculate how much tax you actually owe. Think of it as an annual report card for your finances, where you reconcile what you earned against what you already paid. Most individuals use Form 1040 to summarize their earnings and claim any deductions or credits they are eligible for. You gather documents that prove your income, like pay stubs or freelance earnings, alongside records for potential tax breaks. When you file, you either get a refund because you paid too much, or you owe a balance if you paid too little. Most taxpayers file between January and the mid-April deadline, though extensions are available if you need more time to gather your records. Always aim to file or request an extension by the deadline, as missing it can lead to costly late fees. Keep your financial records organized throughout the year to make filing your return much easier. Thanks for watching.